everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make brownies in the microwave using Pampered Chef's Crock Everyday Pan. We're going to spice it up a little bit and we're going to add some Snicker bars and some homemade peanut butter from the Deluxe Cooking Blender. So let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button while you're here and then you'll be notified anytime I add new content. And if you're not already a member of my recipe community, you can find it at theflipflopchef.com. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with a store-bought brownie mix. So you know this is gonna be easy, and I already told you it's gonna be made in the microwave. So we're gonna take our brownie mix and we're gonna add the ingredients according to the directions on the box. I'm gonna pour this into our plastic mixing bowl because we're gonna be using Pampered Chef's Flex Plus with the hand mixer attachment. So according to the package, we need to add a quarter cup of oil and our water and 1 egg. So I'm gonna add these into the sink, pour in our egg, and then we're gonna use the hand mixer attachment that goes with the Flex Plus. If you're not familiar with Pampered Chef's Flex Plus, it is 3 appliances in one. They are all cordless and they are all operated by the same battery and power pack. So we're gonna set these here. We're gonna go ahead and put our beaters in. You wanna, just like if you were using one that you plug into the wall, you wanna make sure that you always put the beaters in before the power supply is connected. So we're gonna attach our beaters, and then I'm gonna take the power stick and we're gonna add our battery. Now, unlike using the immersion blender and the food processor, there is a different safety switch. It's on this side. You're gonna press this in and then push up on the mixer. So I have the beaters in here, and we're not gonna beat this for very long, just long enough to get this incorporated. All right, set that aside, and I'm just gonna scrape down the bowl a little bit, and then we'll mix it just a little bit more before we add this to the crock. All right. There we go. And then when you're done, you're gonna take off the battery, take off the power stick, and then there's a button on the top here. You can press this with your thumb and it will release those beaters. So we'll put those in the sink. And let's get our crock ready to go. So we're gonna use the 2.5 quart everyday pan. You could of course use the crock Dutch oven. If you have that size, it's just taller, it's the same diameter. We're gonna spritz this with a little bit of oil using Pampered Chef's Kitchen Spritzer. I'm gonna just pump the pressure into this bottle till it's nice and tight. And then I'm just going to spray the inside of the crock. This is just gonna keep it from sticking. And this is gonna microwave for 7 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna release the oil pressure from the pump, set that aside, and then we're gonna put some little Snicker bars on the bottom of the crock. So these are the size I'm using. You could use fun size too. This is what we had. I'm gonna toss these in, and then we're gonna add some more. So I unwrapped some of them, but I wanna have a good many in here. So I think I have a total of 30 of these. We'll see if I use them all. I'm just gonna eyeball this. You can never have too many Snickers, so don't stress about how many of these you have in here. Just put as many as you want. And if you're using the fun size, they're a little bit bigger, so you would use fewer. And if you're using whole candy bars, then you're gonna want to cut them into chunks. It's way easier to just use these, but use whatever you have on hand. And you can use other candy too. You could put Reese's cups in here. You could do Butterfingers. You can get real creative with what candy you use. All right, we're gonna take our brownie batter and we're just gonna pour it right on top of the Snickers. And I'm gonna scrape my bowl clean here, make sure we get all that out. And then we're gonna spread this around, and then we're gonna put peanut butter on top. And I made the peanut butter ahead of time in the Deluxe Cooking Blender. Actually didn't make it today. I have some in my pantry. So we're gonna use that. That's my hands. Okay, and I have our peanut butter here in our silicone bowl. I'm just gonna give this a stir. I did microwave this to get it nice and pourable. So we're just gonna drizzle a lot of this on the top. Let's see, I may have to scoop it out. Here we go. Get it started and then we'll be good. So we're gonna just clump this on there. And I feel the same way about peanut butter as I do cheese and chocolate. There's never too much. So I'm just gonna swirl this around. Again, the pattern doesn't matter. Just get that mixed in a little bit. And then we're gonna microwave this uncovered in the microwave, obviously, for 7 to 8 minutes. This is such a quick, easy dessert that you can throw together with ingredients that you have in your pantry. If you don't have the deluxe cooking blender to make your own peanut butter, use whatever creamy peanut butter that you like and it'll still be amazing. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my recipes at theflipflopchef.com. I will post a finished product picture of this there. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.